This is Morgan here from Fletcher Trading. Today I'm just going to be reviewing some of the signals that we've had in August using the Elder algorithm system on the NASDAQ 100 index. So as you can see here, I've just divided this up into trend. When it's blue, we are in an uptrend and only want to be taking buy positions. And when it's red, we're in a downtrend and we're going to be looking for sell positions. So if we just jump down to the 15-minute chart so we can see the signals. As you can see here, on the 31st, we had a nice buy signal. And as I've mentioned in our previous videos, we like to use the daily pivot points to set our stop loss and take profit. We have another nice buy signal here. And another two more signals here. Another buy signal here. And then we have a sell position. This sell position comes in a brief downtrend on the 4-hour chart. So we may not have taken this position, and even so, it goes in our favor by almost 60 pips. That being said, we'll still count this as a loss. We have a buy position here that goes against us. That's a loss there. And then we have a buy position here that goes in our favor by around 60 pips before going against us. We'll count this as a loss as well, even though it did go in our favor. And then we have two more nice buy positions here and here. And then we have a sell position here. This sell position comes in at the start of an uptrend, so we wouldn't be taking this position here. But this sell position here, we would take this one. It goes in our favor by around 45 pips before going against us, so we'll count this as a loss. We have a nice sell trade here. And as I mentioned, we're going to use the daily pivot points for setting the stop loss and take profit. So your stop loss would have been just above the resistance level, and you would have targeted either the daily pivot point for a 1-to-1 risk reward, or you would have targeted a previous low and a support level for a 1-to-2 or even 1-to-3 risk reward. We have another nice buy trade here, and another nice buy trade here, another nice buying area here, and this is the 31st now. So we've just reviewed 15 signals. Of those 15 signals, 11 of those went into profit, which gives us an accuracy of 73% for August. If you want to get your hands on the software, then you can click the link below and head over to our website.